share your screen? Charlene?
Should I share?
Yeah.
Which one?
Your Google Chrome.
My Google Chrome. Okay, just a minute.
Yes. So by the time she's sharing her screen, let me just introduce GitHub to you. So GitHub is a website. It's a website on the internet where you can post your projects, your assignments on the internet, and all you can do is share a link, and people will be able to download your projects, your assignments. They'll be able to see what you've done and all those things. Why it's important is because it's also a place where you can find collaboration. You can actually it helps in collaboration. It's also a place where you can find other projects, other notes, other assignments, and help yourself when it comes to self-learning and referencing. So that's basically it's like the surface level description of what GitHub really is for. There's a lot of other things to GitHub which you don't really need to know right now, but for now, all I will take you through is creating your accounts and uploading your files, your assignments to GitHub. So Shamin, you still haven't shared your screen, so if you can, please do that. Let me just am I audible? Okay, thank you, Charlene. Thank you, Arnold.
Is that what you want?
Yes. So I want everyone else to actually go through with it, go with these steps. So maybe have your Google Chromes open as well, all of you. So I want you to type github.com, www.github.com, GITHUB.com. Yes, go with the first one. So once you get into GitHub, this is what you will see. I hope everyone is on that page. If you are I actually would like to ask you at every milestone whether you are where Shamim is. Okay, so I want you guys to either say yes in the chat, or I want you guys to raise your hands when I say if you are on the same page. So I'm hoping you guys are on GitHub. If yes, raise your hand. Okay, Anthony. What about the rest? Have you guys seen this page? Because we're gonna go forward with this page. From this page, I mean. A yes in the chat, yes. Okay. I got the yeses. Arnold, if you have an account, then I'll just show you. If you already have an account, please sign in. So I think Anthony also has an account. So if you guys have an account, just sign in. For those who have who don't, Shamim, you have to give your email over there. So when you're signing up for GitHub, use your email ID. So whichever email ID you want to use, go there. Use that. And I want everyone else to do the same. Whoever does not have an account, those who have an account, just sign in. So once you're in this page, all you have to do is continue. Shamim, looks like it's already taken. Actually start with a small s and try that. Your email should start with this, or started with a small s. Okay, so it says email is already taken. So I think you already have an account. Do you already have a GitHub account?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you do? Okay. Who does not have a GitHub account? Then you do one thing, just sign
Or
in.
should I sign in
Yeah,
using another
yeah,
account?
just you already have a GitHub account, right? Or do you want to start afresh?
Yeah, let
Do
me
you want to
start
start
afresh.
fresh? Okay,
Can
fine.
I start
Then use
afresh
another.
with
Yes, use
another
another
account?
email. Use another email account over here.
Okay, all right.
Just click on that, and you'll be able to. Yes.
Okay.
Now continue. Now you create a password, whatever password you want to write.
Okay.
And everyone else, please go through what she is going through right now. So once you have your email, you have to create a password. Of course, it has to be a strong enough password. So get the best one you can. Make sure you remember it. So continue. All right. So now you create a username. It has to be unique. It should not have any spaces in between. Nothing like a hash or a hyphen. Just a simple username, the way you have it on your Twitter or on your Instagram. So if it's not available, of course, use another one.
So I use another one?
So yeah, just add an H. I think you might have that. Yes, so that's available. So use that one. So once you have that, just continue if you don't want to receive the announcements.
Are they
Just press
necessary?
continue. No, it's not necessary. So like you just continue. So now for account verification, you'll have a few puzzles to solve. So click on verify.
Or I click on verify?
Yeah, just click on verify. Okay, so I want you all to be on this page. Okay, so like those people who are on this page right now, this place where you are um, verifying your account, where you see these two pictures, please raise your hand or write a yes. I want to know everyone is in the same page because this is something that a lot of people get confused with. So if you guys are there, if everyone is on this page, what Shamim is showing, please write a yes in the chat or raise your hand. Either one works. Only for those who are creating an account. The ones who have signed in, just wait a little bit after they create. Once you are where Shamim is, please write a yes in the chat, okay? And if there are any issues or questions, please feel free to ask. If you want to like maybe switch on your mic and ask, or you can ask in the chat. Any questions, any confusions, please ask. And if you already have a GitHub account, please sign in to it. So over here, I'm just showing how to create an account. So once you all are at the verification part of this signing up process, please write a yes in the chat or raise your hand. If any issues, please feel free to ask. It would be very nice if there were any responses, any problems. Maybe ask me to wait, but please let me know everything, because no response means like I'm going to just like go forward with it. So it would be really helpful if you guys respond and let me know whether you're in the same place or not. Okay, I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna go forward. Oh, you're on the dashboard. Okay, so you guys have already created the account? Okay. Okay, Irene, you have an account. Okay, so those people who have not yet created the account, please look at the screen. So I would like some more responses if you want me to wait. If not, I'm gonna go forward. All right then. Yes, so Shamim, just make sure the horse's head just faces the direction of wherever the hand is. So yes, right there. To submit it. So many of you will have a simple puzzle. Many of you will have a very some of you will have a simple puzzle, and some of you will not have a simple puzzle. So just according to your puzzles, just let me know if you guys have any puzzles that you guys cannot really go forward with. I'll help you with that. So yes, Shamim, go ahead and create account. Press click on create account. So now your email has received a code. So I would like you to go to that email and just write the code. So that's an 8-digit code that has been given to you on your email. If you've received the code, just enter it and go forward with it.
Okay.
No need to wait. It's just the code that you get. That's it. Just enter the code and then you'll get in. So Dorothy's asking where is the code. So when you're signing up on GitHub, Dorothy, were you there at the in the beginning of the class?
200,944.
I just managed to log in.
Ah, okay. So do you have a GitHub account?
No.
Okay, so you go through the sign up page. I think you were there when the puzzle was on. So you sign up to GitHub. So once you're signing up on GitHub, the code that is there, you'll find it on the email that you have signed on with, the one you used. So that code will be given over there. So you just use that as a verification code to basically be like show that your email ID is connected to your GitHub account now. So Shamim, you have your
sorry, I'm trying to get on my screen, but
yes.
I'm trying to get on my screen. That's a problem now.
Your screen as in?
I had to go into my email.
Okay,
the
okay.
password, so I'm trying to get back to screen. Okay, it's here.
Yeah.
Just pardon me.
Yeah, no problem at all. Actually, signing up takes longer than the rest of this thing because that's like it's got some of the puzzles given are pretty tricky. Shamim, have you logged on?
Yes, I did. Just hang on.
Okay, no problem. I'm sorry.
Okay. You have. Can you see that?
So either you can skip that or continue with whatever you want to do.
Sorry?
So you can scroll down and skip it if you don't.
Just continue?
Actually, scroll down a little bit. There's a skip option over there. Yeah, skip personalization. If you guys want to personalize it, that's on like that's if you want to. Okay. So now we're on the GitHub dashboard. So over here you'll find once you follow people, you'll find projects, and then you'll find the changes that you see over there. At latest changes is going to like show you all those things, but those are not really important for your course right now. What is important is submitting your work. So I'm going to show you how to create a repository. Repository is basically a folder inside your GitHub account. So your GitHub is basically a big storage place with like a big community. It's like social media for like tech people, and not exactly social media, but like where people can collaborate. It's a collaboration platform, along with a storage space for keeping your own folders, whether you want it to be public to everyone or whether you want those folders to be private. So is everyone in this dashboard? Then we will start on creating a repository. Is everyone on this dashboard? I want to see yeses on the chat, and if you want me to wait, I can wait for 2 minutes. Okay, yes, Shirley, you're in. Who else is in? Ismail, you are in. Okay. I know Irene is in the dashboard. I'm sure Arnold and Anthony are also in the dashboard because they signed in. Okay, Monica. Okay. Yes, Dorothy, when you see this dashboard, just say yes immediately. Who else is not yet in? Who else wants any help? If anyone requires any help, any questions, please let me know. If you're not comfortable talking on this, if you're not comfortable talking, just write it in the chat, no problems at all. Once everyone is in, I would like to go forward. So please let me know that you guys are in and you guys can see this dashboard. Just let me know as soon as you do. Okay, Dorothy, are you in?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now Shamim. Okay,
Yes,
now
please.
like everything else after this is quite simple.
Okay.
Because it's all Oh, hello? Can you hear me now? Hello? Am I
Yes,
audible?
now I hear you.
Okay. All right. Okay. So you see on the left side, there's this thing called create a repository.
Yes.
On the left side, yeah. Click on that green button. So once you create, and if you already have a repository, please go and like click on the left side. There's going to be something, a green button that says new. So just click on that. So now, this is where you create your repository. It's basically like creating a folder inside it, inside your GitHub. So your repository name, just name it anything. For now, just name it as first repo.
First level.
Or
Okay.
yeah, first repo, REPO.
First era.
Rep. And also no spaces.
What did you
It's
call it? First what? First level or first?
first repo, REPO. like, just a short form for repository.
Okay.
Yes, and it's sort of it's also encouraged that you don't have any spaces in between. Of course, because you see, your new repository will be created as first dash repo. So if you want it like that, that's also okay, because these names must not really have any spaces in between. So just remove the space in between. Yeah, there you go. A description is not really needed right now, but if your lecturer asks for a description, like, what it has and everything, you should write it, but otherwise it's not really required. Now, if you scroll down, it's going to ask you whether you want it to be public or whether you want it to be private, so you can choose either one of them. So yeah, so Shamim has chosen that she wants it to be private. Don't add a README file, not yet. Don't add it right now. Just scroll down. And then go to create repository.
Create.
Create repository. There's a green button over there. Yeah, that
Okay.
one. So now you have created a repository. So I'm hoping everyone can see Shamim's screen. She has created the repository. So now your folder has been made in your GitHub account. So just scroll down a little bit. Once you create your, actually scroll a bit up so that, like, you can see the first blue area. Just the blue highlighted area. Yeah, that much. Okay, so is everyone over here? I want to know, is everyone over here? And if I'm going too fast, please tell me. So you create a new repository, you write a name for it, you choose whether you want it to be a private or public repository, and then you go down create repository. So once you are there, so Shamim, like, what do you use for most of your assignments? You have Python files, you have just normal Word documents and everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically that's all you have to do. Just upload these files. I want more people. I know Charlene is in. Yes, right there. Just give me a minute. I know Charlene is in, but I also want to know whether everyone is in this place, in this window right here. So once everyone is on the same page, literally, if everyone is on the same page, we will go forward. And if I'm rushing, please tell me. And any questions, any queries, you did not reach that window after clicking create, Monica. You went to create repository, right? Monica?
Yes, I went to create, yes.
Mm-hmm. So you went to create
Yeah,
repository. Then
yes.
you went down, right? You scrolled all the way down?
Um, I didn't scroll all the way down.
Yeah,
There was a
so
green
scroll.
create,
So there was a
or I go
create.
back.
So go back to your
Did I
homepage.
go?
Start.
I go
Go
back.
back. Go back to your homepage. Shamim, can you stop sharing so that, like, I can see her screen? Monica, please. Are you able to share screen?
Yes, let me show.
Yeah, please share screen. I want to see.
So that's my screen.
Okay. You went into README. This is basically a README file to, like, introduce yourself to everyone at GitHub. So go back to your homepage. You don't need it right now. Go back to your homepage.
So how do I go back to the home page?
Just go to the search bar up there and just write github.com. That's it.
Okay.
Just go up there and just write github.com. Or you use the back arrow if you want to. So it'll ask you whether you want to leave the site. Just leave. Just write leave.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
Leave.
just leave.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So now you see on the left side there is this thing called create repository. Left side, absolute left it says create your first project, ready to start building, etc. Left side. Right, there's a green button. There's a green
Create your
button on
first.
the left.
Yeah.
Yes,
Create. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Right there. Just click that.
Okay. But now I've not written the name.
Yeah, don't do
So,
that. Just click the one that I showed you right now.
oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once you click on
Okay.
that, it's going to ask you for your
Mhm.
first repository name. Name it anything you want. So for now, like, we named it first repo, and make sure there are no spaces.
Okay.
Okay, now scroll down,
Uh-huh.
whether you want it to be public or private, that's entirely your choice. And then go to create
Oh.
repository.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. So now that you've done that, now you're in this page.
I could.
Do we continue
I
in
can
your
stop sharing.
do you want
Sorry?
me to continue using your screen? Do you want
Yeah,
me
it's
to do that? Are you okay with that?
okay. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So Shamim, just look at her screen as well if you don't mind me, because she's already shared screen. So
Yeah.
now that
Somebody should be
No
because
problem.
it can go off. Yeah. It's okay.
okay, so now you see there is this thing called quick setup. If you've done this kind of thing before, you see that blue area? So,
Yes.
yeah, so there is a link over there that says uploading an existing file. Click on that.
This one.
Yes, click there. Now all you have to do is choose your files. There is a link that says choose your files.
Okay.
So whatever you want to choose, your files, your folders, just click over there and select whatever file you want to upload. So Dr. Mursi's assignment would be okay. So just click that and open. Now, now that it's uploading, now there is, just scroll down a bit. Right. So there is this thing called commit changes. So once you upload, of course, you have to commit. So it's sort of like a thing of saving or updating. So that's what a commit means. You're either saving it or updating it. So now when you're writing a commit change, you can write whatever message you want to write over there. So, it says add files via upload. You write something like added an assignment. Just write over there, added assignment.
With spaces?
Yeah, you can write, because that is now a message.
Okay.
When you're writing a commit message, it's basically explaining what exactly you're doing. So it will show every single update you've done. So
Okay.
now that you've done that, yeah, now over there is a green button that says commit changes. Just click on that and it's going to commit the changes. So once it's committed in your repository, there is this your assignment that's already made over there. It's already uploaded. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
if you want to add another file to it, you see there is a green button called code over there.
Yes.
So right beside that is a plus sign, a plus button.
This one.
Yeah. Yes. Click on
On
that.
the left.
Yes, exactly that one. And then it says upload files. If you want to upload another file over here, you can upload. Now I want you to actually upload 2 files. So go to choose your files. And then go somewhere where you can actually have more files. Yeah, you can do actually the biology ones. Just do 2 of them, or the intro to data analytics. Yeah, just use those. Just use 2 of the PowerPoints. So you can do control and then choose both of them together. Yeah, you can do it like that and open. So now 2 files are going to be uploaded. So day 1 and day 2 have been uploaded. So I want you to commit the changes and I want you to do it by yourself now. Yes, that's a wonderful message. And any other extra descriptions, whether your lecturer wants you to put or not, just do that and then commit changes. So once you commit changes, it's actually going to show you which commit your files are a part of. So you
Right.
see, when you actually did your first commit, when you committed for the first time, that first commit message was called added an assignment. So
Yes.
your Dr. Mursi's data analytics assignment is under the added an assignment commit, and the rest are in a new commit. You see the descriptions? Yeah, it's going to show you the
Yes.
times and everything. Now I'm going to show you how to actually so when you actually click on them, go ahead and click on one of them.
Click on, sorry,
Click on one of the files actually. Go
one of
ahead
the
and
files.
click on, yeah, any one of the files. Now, this is basically an example of if you have received a repository. If, say, your lecturer has uploaded notes on GitHub and they want you to access those notes through your own computer, they will send you a repository link. So so every repository is going to look exactly like the one that is on your screen right now. So all you will do is maybe for example, you're on day 2. Click on day 2. Maybe Dr. Mursi or Mr. Oma, they have uploaded something. So now there is you see on in the middle over there, there's something called a view raw. You see that? Right in the middle, a blue link that says view raw, right in the middle.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So once you click that, you'll actually be able to see the notes. Once you view it, it'll just download. So there's going to be a download that will start. So you'll be able to download your notes if these notes are a PPT. If they're not a PPT, if they're like in an HTML format, you'll actually be able to open it on GitHub itself. You will not really require to download it. You'll be able to see. Now, when you want, you don't need to open the file because it's already a downloaded file. You've already seen these notes, but this was just an example if you want to access your notes. So now I want you to go to, I want you to be able to delete files as well. For example, of course, it's also something that is like inevitable that you might actually upload something that you don't really want to upload. You didn't really mean to upload it, but it already got uploaded. So it's not going to be one of those tasks where you just right click and it'll just delete. It's not going to happen like that. Okay, let's just wait for it to start responding again. Is it responding or is it not?
It has hung. Okay, there.
It's
Back.
yes. It's back. All right. So, for example, I want you to now delete the assignment that Dr. Mursi, I don't want that. You didn't mean to put the assignment in there. You actually just meant to put the notes. So now, you go to the MoreCDA assignment.xls. Just click on that one, and it's going to just take you to that file. Monica?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I actually, okay, before we do anything else, I want to know if everyone has like been able to follow how to upload. Has everyone been able to follow how to upload? I would like it if you guys just like, yes, okay, Charlene. Anyone else? Okay, thank you, Ismail. What about the rest? Have you guys been able to upload your files on your repository? Any questions, any problems in uploading, please let me know so that I can follow through with you guys. Anybody who has a problem, just let me know. All right, so there are no other messages, so I'm just going to go forward with it. So Monica, can I see maybe like you just move your cursor so that I can see your cursor, like I can see your screen moving. Yes, okay. So now just go to the mercda assignment.xlsx. Yes, just go to that one. Just click it. So now that you've clicked it, you'll be able to view it as well, but I want you to delete it. So you see on the top right-hand corner, not the right, yeah, that one. So you go to those options, just click, and then just go all the way down, scroll. Yes. So there is that thing called delete file. Just use that delete file, click on it. Yeah, and now it's deleted, so there is a green button that says commit changes because that is also an update that you're making. So you commit those changes and it will ask you like, the message is already there, so you don't really have to change it unless you're asked to. So then just go and click the green button that says commit changes. Now it's going to ask you to write the name of the file. Okay, it's not. It usually does that sometimes, mostly if you want to like delete a repository. So I hope everyone has followed through right till now. Monica, you do understand this, right? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So I'm hoping everyone has understood. Any questions, anything? If you've understood, just write a yes. That is exactly how I'm like trying to communicate with everyone, just to know that you guys are on the same page over here, because for now, this is all you have to know is how to upload and view documents and delete them. So maybe like, if you followed through, if you've been able to understand, just write a yes, just like Charlene has. So just write a yes. And any issues, please let me know on the chat or just switch on your mic and let me know. Any problems? Yes, we are together. All right, Ismail, thank you. So I think this is it for now. Like, you've learned how to create your repository. You've learned how to upload files, delete files, and most of these things. So you can upload all kinds of files, literally any kind of file you want to upload, you can upload it. You can also be able to upload folders. Let me actually like show you how to upload folders. So go to add a file. Just go to add file, upload files. and choose any small folder. Choose your files. Just go to choose your files. There's that link that says choose your files. Yes. And choose any file. Just make sure it's a little, like, it's not a big folder, just a small folder. A folder, not a file. I want you to upload a folder. Yes, 7net folder is perfect. No, actually, do this thing, just drag it. Take that folder and drag it into the screen. Just drag it. I cannot hear you. So it's going to be uploading 14 files. So let it upload. So now, as you see, if you've actually been able to notice this, it says the folder name first. It goes /7net and then / the file name. So this actually creates a folder. Now you can cross that small window, cross it, and commit the changes. Right, added a folder. Now you can just commit. So once you add a folder, it won't do like, how do I say, it won't do individual file, it will just create the folder inside your new repository. So now you can click inside that folder. Yes, click. So once you click inside the folder, you'll actually be able to see all the files that you had uploaded within that folder. So that is exactly how you upload files, upload folders, view files. You've been able to view a file from your own folder, but every repository looks pretty much like very similar to what you see right now. So you see within that there is another folder, and then there are other things. So you're able to see all the whole structure of the folder as well. So that is all that you need to do. You'll be able to upload your assignments, you'll be able to view the assignments, you'll be able to view notes that your lecturer gives you. You'll be able to upload notes. If you are a lecturer, you'll be able to upload notes using this, and then all you can do is just well, if you're a lecturer, or even if you're a student, I do recommend that you have your repository as public, so that you can share the repository name, because you can, I don't recommend you having a collaborator that would change files. So, well, Monica's or Shamim's, their repositories are private. So, if they even share a link, we will not be able to see the files. So, I want you to be able to know how to share your repository. So, Monica, just go up, just scroll up a little bit, and just at the top over there, there's a blue link that says first repo. No, not that. Yes, that one. Just click on that. So once you click on your repository name, it's just going to take you to the main page of your repository. Just click on that. So once you're able to see this main repository page, you see that green button over there that says code. Just click on that code button, the green button. Yes. Right. So now you see there is a link over there. Okay, so you can do a few things. You can, you're also, there's another option over there, download zip. Don't click on that, but I'm just telling you. At the, you know, when you are able to like click on the code button, you'll be able to see this thing called a download zip. So if you want to actually like download the entire folder that your lecturer has given, just use that download zip over there. So Monica, I actually want you, like, you know, you might want to actually like share your assignment, share your repository. So that link over there is the exact link that you're going to use to share the repository with your lecturer. So the link over there, you just copy it and paste it to send your lecturer, and they'll be able to see your repository. But now that your repository is private, I want to show you how to make your private repository that you've already worked on public. So before you do that, just click outside, click on settings. There is a settings tab up there, a little bit on the right. You see settings? Yeah, go to settings. So you guys might have made your repositories private, but I don't really recommend that once if you're just like, if you want to make it, you know, let your lecturer see your assignments. So once you, I'm really hoping everyone is on the same track as I am, as Monica is. I just want to know if everyone is on the same page. I hope everyone is together. Yes, okay.
Yep.
So, Monica, I want you to just scroll down really quick. Just scroll all the way down. Yeah, so over there, it says change repository visibility. So, okay, Dorothy, I'll let you know. So just change visibility and write it as public. And select it as public. Change visibility, change to public. I want to make this repository public. I have read and understood this, these effects. Make this repository public. Yes. So now go back to the tab called code. Not there, not there, not there. Go up, scroll up, scroll up. On the top left side, there is this thing called code. Do you see that? Yeah. Okay. So now that you have that, now that your repository is public, go to the code button. So once you actually go to this code tab, you'll actually be able to see the whole repo. So I want you to do this one thing. Copy this link that you see over there. Just copy it and paste it in the chat of this Zoom chat of the Zoom chat. Just paste it on the Zoom chat. Okay, so Monica has pasted her GitHub repository link on the Zoom chat. So all you can do is just open this link and you'll be able to see her repository. So that is how you share your assignments. And if you're a lecturer, this is how you share your notes or whatever assignments you want to give. And like this is how, so I think this is it for now. So what we have learned, a small recap: creating your account, creating your repository, uploading to your repository, deleting individual files, viewing the repository, changing its visibility, and being able to share the link to your repository. And of course, viewing the files inside. And Dorothy, where are you?
Okay, I created this repository.
Mm-hmm. Were you able to upload your files?
Not yet.
Okay, then maybe stay back for a bit. But I'm hoping the rest have understood.
Are we all okay?
Yes.
Anyone with a question? Paris? Okay. We may end if there's no one.
It's a link invitation. So you have to just add your collaborator. The collaborator will receive your email. Once they receive your email, they will actually have to accept it. Now these emails have a limited life actually. Like these invitations have a limited life. If they expire, you have to send another one. So maybe your lecturer wants to see it, wants to actually see your assignment, like say 2 days after you send it. The invitation will expire. So it's best that you keep your repository public. But I will actually give an example. Monica, you can actually just stop sharing screen. I'll just give you a small example. Just stop sharing screen. I want to share my screen. Monica, you can stop sharing screen. Yeah,
Can it be maybe because
Huh?
it's taking too long?
Ah,
It's
okay,
taking
okay.
long.
It's
I
taking
think
long.
it has
Okay.
hanged. Yeah.
Oh, all right. I don't know if
Okay, there.
okay.
I think it's
Yes.
gone.
All right. I hope you guys can see my screen. So over here, this is Monica's repo. So let me just create a new repository just so that. So I'm just creating a private repository just for now, and I create a repository. So I just upload whatever file I want to. So let me just upload something like this. I commit the changes. So this is where I am right now. So I go to settings and I go to this tab that says collaborators. I go to collaborators and I write my password, which basically is one other step to actually make sure. Second. Yeah. So now over here, there's this thing called add people. So you also want to know your other persons, your collaborators, either username or email. Full name may not be the best to use, but use the username. So for example, whose email should I use? I should use one of yours actually. So can one of you actually send me your GitHub username? If one of you can just send me your GitHub username or the email that you use. Oh wait, I can just use Shameen's. If I remember Shameen's correctly, it's this. Ah, okay. I already have. Okay, I think I'll use is I've already put Shamim's, so thank you for your emails. I'm sorry, but Shamim, this is your one, yeah?
Yes, please.
Okay. So now I'll add Shamim to my repository. So once I invite her, she's going to see she has been added, but the invitation is pending. So the thing is, she'll be able to see this invitation in her email, and all she will have to do is accept it. Or there is another way to see your notifications is this little box over here at the top of your screen, this little box over here. You can just click that and you'll be able to see all your notifications. So over here, these are like projects that I have collaborated in. So these are just like other notifications, but there's another notification that's going to come for your collaborator that you've added. So once this collaborator has accepted the invite that you've sent them, they'll be able to see your repository using the link you sent. But again, as your lecturer will have many students to who will be who will be sending their assignments, it's actually recommended that you all actually keep your repositories public, and once the session is over, once the course is over, just change the visibility to private. So I think that's all for today's class. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys were able to learn something. And any questions, any more questions, just let me know and I'll answer them. You're welcome, Ismail. What you've done. So
Okay.
that is basically it. So you've been able to
I just
create.
copy it and or I just
Yeah, you just copy it and you just paste it, just like send it to your lecturer.
okay.
Is that understood?
Yes.
All right.